The very first thing that you will see when you log into Canvas is the Canvas dashboard. From here, you'll see all of your courses, but if you don't see the course that you're looking for, due to it being your first time accessing Canvas in your course, you may have to scroll down to the unpublished courses section in order to find the course that you're looking for. On the left-hand side, we have the global navigation menu that serves as the navigation for the entirety of the Canvas website. A few things to point out on this global navigation menu would be the inbox, which is where you can send direct messages to students, and students will be able to send direct messages to you. Under the account settings, if you click on account and go to settings, you will be able to edit your profile picture by uploading a picture of yourself from your computer or your device. And whenever you're ready to go back to the dashboard, you can click on dashboard to be taken back to the Canvas dashboard. From the dashboard, let's jump into a course. I'm going to select the test course here, and you'll notice on the direct right of the global navigation menu, we have the course navigation menu. These pages are completely editable by you, the instructor, by scrolling all the way to the bottom and clicking settings, and then going to navigation. Anything in the top box labeled drag and drop items to reorder them in the course navigation will be enabled in your course, and students will be able to see these. And anything below drag items here to hide them from students will be removed from the student's view. You can disable items in the top box by clicking the vertical 3 dots and clicking disable, which will move that item to the bottom list, or you can drag and drop items from the top to the bottom. And the other way around, you can enable items by clicking the 3 vertical dots and selecting enable, or by dragging and dropping an item from the bottom to the top. The 5 pages that we recommend enabling for students are announcements, syllabus, grades, modules, and NetTutor, but you can enable and disable pages in any way that you would like that fits your course's needs. Let's take some time to enable and disable anything we might need in this course. Once you've reordered everything in your course navigation menu, be sure to scroll all the way to the bottom and click Save. Once you've saved your settings in the navigation menu, you will notice that the course navigation menu has changed to reflect your changes. These crossed out eyes mean that these pages will not be visible to students, and that could mean that they're either empty or disabled but still allow you easy access in the course navigation menu. One more course setting to consider would be in the course details section, or the very first tab of the settings page, would be to scroll to the near bottom and click on show recent announcements on course homepage. And you could check this box, and this will show students the most recent announcements that you've posted onto your homepage in the course, giving students easy access to any announcements that you've made. And again, you will want to click the Update Course Details button at the bottom to save your changes. Back at the home page, you will want to make sure once your course is ready to go that you change your course status from unpublished to published. Select your front page, choose and publish, and this is what will allow students to see your course. And now they can also send you messages through your inbox.